this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add or remove menu bar on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So if you want to remove or add menu items on your menu bar on your Mac, it's very simple. So first, you can go to your system preferences on your MacBook. After that, you'll find there is an option dock and menu bar. You can select on that. And here, you can settings for your dock and also your menu bar. If you want to hide your menu bar, you can just select on automatically hide and show the menu bar on desktop. But I will just disable it. Now, if you want to add or remove, maybe you want to remove Wi-Fi from your menu bar, you can select on Wi-Fi and you can just remove the checklist in here. So the Wi-Fi will be removed from your menu bar on MacBook. And also if you want to show Bluetooth, you can select on Bluetooth and select on show in the menu bar. So the Bluetooth icon will be appear on your menu bar. And also for the airdrop, focus, keyboard brightness, if you want to show it, if you want to hide the sound, you can just remove the checklist. Or maybe the battery, you want to remove the battery from your menu bar, you can just remove the checklist like this. And also for the clock, spotlight, Siri, and time machine, you can manage all the items on your menu bar in this section on your system preferences on MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add or remove menu bar items on Mac. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.